Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making this delicious spaghetti. So I have my boiling water here, and to that I'll add some salt. Then I'll add my spaghetti into it. After a few minutes, I'll just drain off the water and set it aside. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share my video. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos from this channel. So I have now drained it, and I have my chopped vegetables here: green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green chili pepper, chopped tomatoes, onions, and a little ginger. So in a pan, I just add my vegetable oil. Then I'll just add these chopped vegetables directly into the heated oil. After adding all these vegetables, I'll let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes before I add additional ingredients. Now I'll just pour some cold water over my spaghetti so that it doesn't stick together. I'll use my hand to just separate it a little. After 2 to 3 minutes of frying the vegetables, I just add some fish powder, curry powder, nutmeg, salt, and seasoning cube, and I'll give it a good stir. After stirring everything, I just added some tomato paste to it, and I'll stir it together. Now I'll let the stew fry for 3 minutes. Then I just add my cooked spaghetti into my stew, and I'll gently mix everything together so that every portion gets the stew. See how beautiful the spaghetti looks, and it's so delicious too. Now it is time for me to serve this spaghetti to my family. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.